से भी तू ना रुके, हासिल कर ऐसा शिखर, पर्वत की भी नजरें उठे, आशाएं उम्मीदें अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी।
Namaste everyone. Last class we have discussed regarding asampragyata samadhi. Now this class will be talking on how we can get asampragyata samadhi and what are the qualities, who can get that, who can attain that asampragyata samadhi. We will be looking on that. So let's see, this sutra is explained. Bhavaprataya videha prakriti layanam. Bhavaprataya videha prakriti layanam. There are two layas explained. One is videha laya and prakriti laya. Videha laya and prakriti laya. Two kinds of laya they explain. Laya means getting merged. Here the word bhava means this samsara, this world. Pratyayah means knowledge. Knowledge of this world. After knowing this knowledge of in this world, what will happen? Or videha laya happens. How? Videha means bigata deha. Videha. For example, a practitioner start to practice from vitarka stage 2 and he is going to practice vitarka, vichara, ananda, and in between he dies. Then next what will happen? He will get next birth in a royal good family. And he no need to start from start itself. Means from vitarka itself he no need to start. Where he stop. For example, if he stop in vichara level or asmita level, he can start from that asmita level itself. Because he is known as videha laya. He got laya, his body got laya in videha, vigata laya. His body got fully destroyed and he get the birth in a royal family in the next birth. That is called videha laya. Okay. For example, if you start to go Delhi to Bangalore, in the way, if you come in between, means any Mumbai, any place. Okay. If you stop there, if you die there in the path of yoga, next birth you will get to start from that time, that place itself, Maharashtra itself. No need to start from Delhi again. So that kinds of practitioner or yogi is known as videha laya yogi. This is the one category yogi is known as videha laya yogi. Videha laya yogi means they no need to practice from start itself. Videha laya. This is the one category. Second category is known as prakriti laya yogi. Prakriti laya yogi means those who understood the prakriti as it is. Means, and by knowing the vishesha, abhishesha, linga, and at the end they came to alinga. And they merge in prakriti. Prakriti laya. They are getting merged in the level of prakriti. They are known as prakriti laya yogi. Means they have control over the prakriti. They are called as second number yogi is called prakriti laya yogi. Prakriti laya yogi. This kind of yogis means either videha laya yogi or prakriti laya yogi. They are prone to get the asampragyata level. Now this topic is there. Who can practice asampragyata samadhi? There are two methods explained here. Whoever practicing yoga, vitarka, vichara, ananda, asmita, then asampragyata, all these things, before completing the sampragyata, for example, he completed vitarka, vichara, ananda, and in between he died. So what will happen next birth? What the result of that? Next birth he will get in a good family he will get birth and he can start from where he stopped. No need to start from first itself. Because he is called videha laya yogi. That is the first one. Prakriti laya means who have the vairagya after knowing all this, means all kinds of manifestation from prakriti, either vishesha, abhishesha, linga and alinga. They known as prakriti laya yogi. They will be permitted to go asampragyata samadhi, means there is no any kind of manifestation, that is called asampragyata level. So these are the two qualities who can practice asampragyata samadhi. Last class we have discussed regarding the asampragyata samadhi, how one can attended. Mean what are the criteria to be attended, that things. So in last class we talked about the videha yogi and prakriti yogi. Videha yogi means who have lost his body during the practice, and next verse he will start from that place itself. No need to start from starting. And prakriti means whoever understood the prakriti as it is, and they can reach to asampragyata level. This sutra will be talking on some other yogi who can attain or who can practice asampragyata samadhi. So let's see. The sutra is Shraddha Virya Smiti Samadhi Pragya Purvaka Iteresham. Shraddha Virya Smriti Samadhi Pragya Purvaka Iteresham. There are 5 characteristics are there to attain asampragyata samadhi. This is explained for the normal general people. Earlier sutra explained those who are wise person, means they have to control they should leave their body and they should practice in earlier birth. Next birth they can attain asampragyata samadhi. So it takes 2 birth. And prakriti yogi, they have to know all the things prakriti level as it is, vishesha vishesha linga and all these things. Then only they can go for asampragyata level. But this is the shortcut how you can reach in asampragyata state. That's here. You should have 5 qualities. The first quality is Shraddha. Shraddha means Guru Vachana Vishwasa Shraddha. What teachers is teaching, what text scriptures explain, you should have faith on that. Then only you can get that things. That's called Shraddha. Shraddhavan Lavata Jnanam in Gita explained. Who can understand the concept? Who having this Shraddha, he can understand the concept. This is called Shraddhavan. Shraddha. Virya means Virata or the Parakrama, strength, physically, mentally, all these things. Virya, how it comes from Shraddha only. If you have any devotions, any respect on that particular things, you will get Shraddha. That Shraddha leads to Virya, strength. Strength on that subject in your physical body, mental body. Okay. Smriti. Smriti means memory. If you have Shraddha Virya, then only Smriti will develop. Memory. You can recall all the things very easily, clearly. So a practitioner should pursue these 3 things, Shraddha, Virya, Smriti, and then it leads to Samadhi, Samyak knowledge. Samyak dhyate adhyate Samadhi. Means higher state of mind, full confidence into that state. That is called Samadhi. Next, one can pursue Pragya. Pragya means Purna knowledge, Purna Jnanam, Pragya. Purna knowledge of Pragya. Purna Jnanam is called Pragya, means special knowledge. There will not be any kind of filtration. Pragya, Purna knowledge will be there. So the practitioner should have this quality, Shraddha, Virya, Smriti, Samadhi and Pragya. Purvaka means they are depends on each other. If you have only this quality, you cannot reach to asampragyata state. If you have only Virya quality, you cannot reach to asampragyata state. If you have only Smriti, you cannot. If you have Samadhi only, if you have Pragya only, you cannot achieve. You cannot reach to that stage. It means you should have all these things. First you should acquire Shraddha, then Virya, then Smriti, then Samadhi, then Pragya. Then only it reaches to Iteresham. Iteresham means other one. Other one means previous sutra they explained regarding the videha yogi and prakriti yogi. This sutra explained about the Iteresham. Others means for the general practitioner. Like you, me, all are the general practitioner. We started yoga in this birth, in this life, and we need to achieve asampragyata samadhi in this life itself. So if we conclude this sutra, that would be the general practitioner, normal practitioner, he should acquire these 5 characteristics or the 5 quality. First quality is called Shraddha, means having faith on Guru or scripture, text, that it will lead to the ultimate. Shraddha, Guru Vachana Vishwasa Shraddha. Virya is the second one. Virya means the virata, strength we should have to practice yoga, asana, pranayama and whatever you take. So viryata you should have. Smriti means our memory, what yesterday our teacher taught, what scripture told to do this, to not to do this, means rules and regulations we need to follow. That is called Smriti. We should have kept in our memory. Smriti. Samadhi means that state of mind. The concentrated mind should be there. The mindset should be fully concentrated level. That's called Samadhi. Pragya means Purna knowledge. What teacher is telling, scripture is telling, we should acquire as it is, Purna Rupena. Okay. Then only there the depends each other. You cannot acquire this and you cannot reach to asampragata level. You should have all these 5. That's why they would use purvaka. Purvaka means they are the paripuraka. They give the fulfillness of each other. Alone it cannot be. It needs the support of this. It needs support of this. So having this all 5, one can reach to asampragata level. Who can reach? Iteresham, the other practitioner like you and me. They are called general practitioners. Earlier Sutra we explained videha laya yogi and prakriti laya yogi. They are special practitioner. They need 2-3 births to achieve asampragata. But you can reach in this birth itself asampragata stage by following these 5 characteristics. Okay. Thank you.